So we just rolled out a lube reader platform training module with Learner Mobile, and we have seen that drastically increase our profitability in sites that we've rolled that out at, and greatly increase our customer experience. We operate car washes and oil changes, and so the lead program, specifically with the content they develop, allows us to kind of plug and play our own organic content, but then also use platforms that you guys have developed. But we really felt like we need to improve not only just our overall training, but give our team members actionable information that they can get to increase not only our ticket average, but the overall life expectancy of their vehicle. And so once we tied those two portions together, our team members felt empowered to go out there and have those meaningful conversations. And like I said, we saw a drastic increase in our overall ticket average and quality of service.